Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the Roblox YouTube channel. Today we are here with Exodus Dev. Oh wait, where'd your guy go? You were just right here. Exodus? Oh, there you Hello, you must say hi.
Yo, what's up?
Alright, there we go. Bro, you're so quiet. You gotta speak up, man. Speak with your chest.
Yo, what's up?
There we go. Alright, so guys, today we're gonna be showing you how to make this style of water that Exodus has very much, taken over the Roblox dev community with. So, it's pretty simple to make if you know the right ways to do it, okay? A lot of people sent me pictures, DMs, everything. Hey, dude, figured out how to make Exodus's water style, but they're all using Roblox parts, and, it's not going to work out too well for you, alright? So first things first is you're going to need a mesh and a water texture. That's it. That's all you need for this. Best parts about this water is, anything you put in it will automatically have a white outline, which is really, really cool. Check this out. We'll put this guy like right here, and then we'll have like a long one like right here. It's just real cool. What? Literally anything, guys. Anything you put in it. And then of course there's a lot more ways you can make this water look even cooler. I'm not gonna go into those today because hey, you guys gotta have some creativity and imagination. All right. First things first, it is 4 layers. You're gonna need meshes, okay? This will not work with parts. You need a mesh. You can go in the toolbox if you don't have Blender and type in mesh pack, and this is the one I personally have just for when I need a random mesh. And we're gonna make this with a cube, just so you guys, so it seems very simplistic, okay? Very simple. And let me put my movement on 0.5 just so we get a nice even thing. Wait, this is not 0.5? Wait. Why? Hello? Why can I scale it all the way down with 0.5 studs? Alright, it's whatever. So, Exodus, you're making water over there too?
Yeah, I'm just gonna build some kind of example.
Okay. So, guys, while Exodus is working on that, here, bro, go, like, way over here so they can't see you while I'm doing this part. That'll be dope. And then we'll go to it at the end. Alright, so, guys, this is 4 layers. So, we're just gonna grab this mesh and click Control-Z for 4 times, alright? So, we have 4 layers of water, just like that. Now, the colors that work best for us, or that we like the most, of course, you could change these colors dependent on your game. If you want darker water, lighter water, etc. Easy peasy. And this is the order it goes in. Bottom, this is like the bottom of the water, and this is the top of the water. So here's how it works. This one, I'm going to just copy the colors so we get the same example. Boom. Paste it in right here. And it is neon for the bottom part. Perfect. And I forgot the transparency. It is 0.5. So go ahead and set the transparency to 0.5. Nice. Up next, we have black smooth plastic with a 0.7 transparency. So let's do that. Black, perfect. 0.7. There we go. Up next, we got our water. Now, this could be any color, guys. This is like your water color, all right? So just make sure it's neon and on 0.5. Let's go ahead. Neon and 0.5 transparency, and we're gonna make this a real dark water, guys, just really like luscious. Okay, now there's this free pack. If you don't have this, it is in my Discord server. It's made by Dev for Hire, and we can go ahead and take the water texture from this. Really nice. He's also a really nice guy, so go follow him on Twitter as well, and then just paste that into your water, guys. You really only need the top part. You don't need to put it on every side like I did, but hey, it's all good. Now with this top mesh, you're going to want to make it glass with 0.15 transparency, all right? And white, perfect, and glass right here. Glass, nice, 0.15. There we go. Now, as you can see, it don't work. You guys are like, bro, you scammed us. What is this? All you got to do is add in, what is it called again? Surface appearance, okay? So check this out. Go right here, right-click, insert object, boom. And then go to surface appearance. It pops up on the other monitor, guys, because Studio's broken. If you have 2 monitors, like the little pop-up window goes on the other one, so I can't show it to you. But just click on surface appearance. If you can't find it, search it up in the search thing. And there you go. It works. It's perfectly done. And now anything we put in here will have like that white, what would you call this? Foam? Like water foam? Oh. Yeah. And you can make it less deep, more deep, however you want to do it, guys. Check it out. If we wanted to go like, I don't know, 0.25. Perfect. And then we will just kind of grab these guys and bring them down like so. And this guy, perfect. And there we go. Like now the foam won't be like as deep, I guess. And that's how you make the water. Exodus, are you done with your scene or no? I don't want to go over there if you're not done with it. All right. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video here, and we'll be back to show you an example of this in a scene and how great it looks.
This wall. Actually, wait, don't.
I'm already here, bro. I'm already here.
No, wait. The water is bad.
Okay, look. Guys, this is what Exodus made for the showcase. And then he was like, ew, I'm embarrassed of this. So, basically, what we're going to do is hop into one of his places that he's actually taking time to work on to show you guys how this looks in a whole, like, map scene, not just a little island. Sound good, Exodus?
Yes, sir.
All right, here we are, guys, in the Russo Plays world, okay? Well, it's called Portal Showcase, which is probably showcasing this beautiful portal right here that I'm going to take a wild guess takes you nowhere, correct? What is all this under the map? Like, what are these long
Oh, you can ignore that. This is my first version of the water.
Ah, okay. So guys, check it out. Here's how the water looks in an actual place. It even works with terrain. So anything, like we said, anything you put into the water is going to make that foam effect. And it works with terrain parts, meshes, anything you want really. Exist. Anything else you want to say about this water style or this build even?
There's actually quite a bit.
Let's go.
So the first thing, what you see when you if you look up, like when you're right next to the water and you look up, you see it's like plain white. Don't worry, that won't happen to you if you follow what Roboter said. It should just turn a dark blue. Still sad, but it's unfixable, I'm afraid.
It's okay. No one's gonna be like this. Ooh, water. It's all good. There's blessings and curse with every style, bro. Ooh, you want to talk about this waterfall? I know how you did it, but some people would probably be pretty interested. That's force field, right? Or is it a beam?
There's not. Yeah, well, there are beams with the textures, and it just uses the exact same water part, but the way it's done this like shading underneath is just using other rock parts.
Ah,
to give it, like,
nice. Nice.
A beam part, like normal beams.
All right, well guys, that is gonna wrap up the tutorial for this water. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. I know it's been highly requested, but we kind of wanted to wait till people started to figure it out because, you know, you don't want to just give it away at the beginning. I think that's gonna wrap it up though. Exodus, I know you were kind of hesitant to be in a video, so I gotta put you on blast. Every time I do a collaboration, the other person does the outro, so I just need you to outro the video.
No. Okay, bye.
Oh, come on, bro. I need likes. You gotta ask for the likes at least.
If this video gets 12 likes, I don't know.
All right, guys. 12 likes is the goal. Have a great day. All right, like, comment, and subscribe. Later.